Nasakto lang rin yung taxi cab theory sa mga partners niya dati. Alam niyo ba yun?
Ano ba yung taxi cab theory? Sige,
So it's like, a guy who always, how to explain this? A guy na parang hindi pa siya ready ever with his past partners. But as soon as he feels ready, any girl who walks into his life, he's ready to marry na agad. Parang, ganon siya, yeah.
Parang yung guys, ina-adjust nila yung timing, pero sa amin yung right person.
No.
So baka wrong timing lang siya or something like that. Pero we don't know.
Explain na lang siguro.
Kasi sa taxi cab, di ba? Parang kukuha ka ng taxi pag convenient or parang pag need mo na. So parang ganun, in love.
Akala ko naman yung parang taxi cab na ang dami mong pinara tapos parang lagyan tinatanggihan.
O kaya papasakayin mo tapos bababa din tapos may kasunod.
Dami interpretation.
Or ikaw yung magdadala sa destination niya pero hindi pala ikaw yung destination.
Alam mo, minsan ka lang magsalita pero grabe ka.
Minsan lang magsalita si Jo.
Pero masakit. Ngayon.
10,000 words.